wasn't expecting the braids to come out this curly. I was actually expecting them to be more stretched, but it didn't. It's still kind of shrunken, but it's all good. I kept these in for like the bigger 6 braids in for like 3 days, so over time they just got more shrunken and close together. So this is it right here. I did add mousse to my head up here. Also had put this on over it with the scarf on. Just went over the scarf and I slept like that. And that's how I got my roots to be so flat. I'm really trying to fix these up to where as though they have some more volume. I wasn't trying to pick them out at first, but now I want to pick them out a little bit so they can have a little bit of volume because they just look too small and too squished. It's looking good to me. I just gotta pull them apart, move them around and all that. They ain't as stuck together as they were before, so that's good. Yeah, that definitely looks much better, like definitely.